All right, so here is the best way on how you can get coins or money in 4-second Roblox. So here, as you can see, I'm doing a role of a killer now, but what you have to do the first way is just find these generators that are around the map, and you have to do as much as puzzles that you can do. So let me just find one, and here, as you can see, you have to do this. The first way is just very simple. You have to do the the generators, and just simply do the generators and you get coins in it. So the second way is going to be more simple as that. Okay, so as you saw, you have to set up generators in order to be to get coins. So here, as you can see, this is our first generator. So just fix as many as generators you can, and it will give you coins. And you have to stay away from the killer as well, because you get killed if you don't and do the coins. So just simply go ahead and find coins and do pick up medkits, because medkits are very important because you can heal them. And here, as you can see, this one just did the task and got a coin. And as you saw, this was our visual representation. So I'm just gonna find another generator which we could use. Sadly, I can't find any generators, but your first one should be doing puzzles of those generators, as you saw, and then it should be camping. So there are some places that you could do camping. So it's not here, but on the camping side, you have to do camping. And the the third one is being the cool kid. So yeah, pretty much all of the generators are done, but and there's also another way which you can do is reviving others or healing others and using your abilities nicely. Yeah, if you use your abilities, you can also get coins for that. If you stay around on the round, like if you don't die quickly. And here, as you can see, I got a Slade skin and Boxy Cola. But there are some ways that you could do. First one being doing the puzzles, and then the second one doing camping, and third one being the cool kid and using its abilities nicely, and the fourth one healing others. Because if you heal others, you can just simply get more coins from it. So yeah, this is it. I hope this video actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.